Hi, today we're gonna learn about physics. What is Bernoulli's principle? The principle is named after Daniel Bernoulli. According to him, Bernoulli is an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in static pressure or a decrease in the fluid's potential energy. The principle is applied on a pipe with the differences in height and the area. A fluid set flowing really slow actually has more pressure than when it's flowing more faster. Sure, it may seem weird, but it might feel like it's exerting more force when it flows through a wider opening. But the real situation is we are talking about the pressure on the walls of the pipe, not in the pipe. This means that the slower the fluids flow, the more pressure it puts on the pipe itself. Bernoulli also came up with Bernoulli's equation. It might look complicated, but when we break it down, it's just a combination of things we already learned. To better understanding, have a look at how the three forms of energy in a fluid are represented in Bernoulli's equation. First, there's pressure times volume, so there must be a form of energy. The first term in equation takes that energy and divides it by volume and just leaves pressure. Next, flowing fluid also has kinetic energy. It is equal to half of an object's mass times its velocity squared. Again, Bernoulli divided this form of energy by volume to get half of the fluid's density times its velocity squared. Finally, a flowing fluid also has the potential energy that comes from gravity. Potential energy from gravity is equal to an object's mass times g times its height. When divided that by volume, we got density times g times height. It is called the potential energy density for the third term of the equation. Are you curious why I divided all these terms by volume? Well, when it comes to fluid, it's easier to talk things in terms of density than mass. We can see for an example is a farmer watering her crops. The pressure that's pushing the fluids out of the barrel gives the same velocity of the fluids coming out. From Bernoulli's equation, we can simplify that the sum of the pressure, kinetic energy density, and potential energy density of the water in the barrel gives the equal sum of those three qualities of water coming out. Next, we can apply Bernoulli's equation in the milk industry. As we can see, the point of P1 is the same as P2. This means that no matter where the fluid is in the pipe, if you take all the forms of energy that the fluid has at that point and add them up, it will equal the same number as any other point in the pipes. So today we have learned about definition of Bernoulli's principle, the Bernoulli's equation, and the applications in food industry. Thank you for watching. Bye!